Yamaha outboard alarms signal critical issues like overheat or low oil. These alarms are triggered by sensors monitoring engine temperature, oil pressure level, and system diagnostics. The alarm is usually a buzzer paired with a dashboard light. Overheat alarms activate when coolant exceeds 212-248 degrees Fahrenheit, 100 to 120 degrees Celsius, often due to faulty thermostat, clogged cooling system, or impeller damage. Oil alarms trigger at low oil levels or pressure drops below 10 to 20 psi, signaling potential engine seizure. First, check your fluid levels and inspect for any leaks. Ignoring alarms can lead to significant engine damage, so addressing them promptly is crucial. Many issues stem from user error, like not checking oil levels. Newer models feature app-based diagnostics for real-time monitoring and alarm triggers. If fluid levels are normal, sensor malfunctions are a likely cause. Sensors like thermocouples for temperature and pressure transducers for oil send signals to the engine control unit. The buzzer itself is a piezoelectric device. Try resetting the buzzer by turning the ignition key to the on position without starting the engine, or use the manual override in newer models. Sensor failures can stem from wiring faults or corrosion, especially in saltwater environments. For accurate diagnosis, use a multimeter to test sensor continuity. Temperature sensors should read 300 to 500 ohms. If problems persist, use Yamaha's Helmmaster EX app for more insight and possible sensor recalibration. Keep in mind, physical inspections are still needed even with the app functionality and diagnostic technology.